Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I'm working on another junk journal while I am clearing out some of my stash. If you don't know, I am packing and purging and unhauling, destashing a lot of my stash. So this was part of me cleaning out a drawer set that I had, and these are some of the items that were in it, excluding the fabric, of course. The fabric with the shoes is some that I've had for quite a while from Walmart, and then these other strips are from a pack of scrap fabrics from Dollar Tree. So I just put them together. The stitching is atrocious, but it's a junk journal, so it's okay. I think I needed to adjust the tension, and I may have stitched through some glue. I'm gonna have to clean my machine today. But yeah, I think I may have stitched through some glue, and that's why I got the ugly stitching. But it's fine because it's a junk journal, right? Okay. So this is what it looks like. The fabric on the inside, I think, came from Walmart. And I originally got this to work on a sunflower journal that seems like it's never going to happen. I've been saying I want to do a sunflower journal, and I've been collecting items for it for forever. But I needed a fabric for the inside of this, so I used this. I also used some cotton batting underneath on the outside, and I used heat and bond to attach the fabric, and then of course I stitched over it just to catch the edges. So heat and bond and cotton batting is in between here, and the base of this is an Amazon piece of Amazon packaging. At the end of this video, I will show the process of how I put most of it together. I didn't show the ironing on the heat and bond or the stitching, but you'll see how I kind of put the rest of it together. All right, so these are all items that were in those drawers that were scrap pieces that I didn't want to just toss. And they were part of some scraps that I had just put together. I still have more of this, but I have whittled it down and put things where they belong because there were things in there that didn't belong in there. This is what I have left, and it's enough to make three. Maybe it may even turn into four signatures. Plus, I have some things that I can use for embellishments for the pages. And I don't know how I'm going to go about this um, journal, if I'm going to stitch it in. I think I'm going to stitch directly into the cover instead of doing the elastics. So these will be permanent, yeah, permanent signatures. Then I was thinking, well, maybe in between them, I could do temporary signatures on elastics. So some stitch, some not stitched, I'm not sure. But I wanted this to have more of a planner girl feel, so I used things that have that look. For instance, this was a graphic that I did. This was a collab between Scrapcraftastic and Coco's Vision. Then I have the African American inspired mahogany cards. I'm not even sure where I got these cards. Of course, I'm gonna fact this, but I kind of wanted them to be the theme, the main idea of this journal. So here's another one here. And then just a variety of different papers throughout. I'll show all of that as I move along and work in this, but I just kind of wanted to share what I was doing before you see the footage of me actually creating the cover. So let me put all this back in here. That is my new project that I'm going to be working on, and you may see quite a few projects on this channel. You may, and it may take me forever to finish them, but I am trying to really use what's in my stash and get things started that I can finish later. I'm feeling like this one I'll work on quite a bit as we go. I still have a few others to wrap up. So this one will probably be put to the side, but I just had the idea and jumped into the craft lab and went for it. So this, I don't even know what I'm going to call this. If you have any suggestions on what I should name it, let me know in the comments below. It's going to wrap here like this. And it was kind of cool how the shoe met up right there. I don't know if it's going to stay that way once this fills out, but I thought that was kind of cool. But I'm going to do a tie for it as well. Not sure what the tie will look like and if it will be attached to the back or not. I will be doing a tie for it. But that is it. It won't stay closed right now. I need to work on that. I could just. So here's the footage of me creating this cover. So that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.